The only difference between this bucket list and your more traditional bucket list is that this one is for 2022. It's space for you to write down all the adventures, experiences, and activities that you want to tick off in the next 365 days. When putting together your bucket list, you might like to consider the following categories: travel, adventure, contribution, creativity, family, health, relationships. And just remember, not everything on your bucket list needs to be as big as skydiving or bungee jumping. Just as an example, some of the things that I've had on my bucket list in previous years are things like acro yoga, making pots out of clay, going offline for 24 hours. It's essentially space for you to write down a fun to-do list for the next 365 days. The date column can be used in two different ways. You can use it to write down tentative dates, so dates that you intend on completing those activities, or you can use it to write down the actual date of completion. So the former gives you a timeline to work towards, whereas the latter gives you a record of all your bucket list goals.